The iQOO Z9 Turbo will launch on April 24th, and today, we saw some hands-on images of the phone. The source also revealed Vivo is preparing another iQOO Z9 smartphone that will be identical to the Turbo on the outside but entirely different from the version launched in India. The images practically confirmed what we already knew about the Z9 Turbo. It will have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the vanilla Z9 will be the first iQOO with a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. And we can see iQOO Z9 and iQOO Z9 Turbo will have a 512GB storage version. The vanilla will have 12GB RAM that can virtually be doubled to 24GB, while the Turbo will have a 16GB option. The iQOO Z9 Turbo will have a new cooling system and a screen of 144Hz refresh rate, with 120 frames per second support for most games. The two phones clearly have dual cameras on the back and a single selfie shooter on the front, while the battery capacity of both will be 6,000 mAh. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.